Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download FC26 on PC and laptop. Alright, let's begin. To download FC26 on your PC or laptop, you first need the EA app. Open your browser and go to the official EA website, then download the EA app installer. Once the download finishes, open the installer and complete the setup. After installation, launch the EA app and log in using your EA account. If you do not have an account, you can create one for free within the app. After logging in, use the search bar at the top and type FC26. When the game appears, select it from the search results. If you have not purchased the game yet, you will need to buy it before downloading. Once the purchase is complete, click the download button. You can choose a custom install location or keep the default folder. Click install and wait for the download to finish. So that's basically how you can download FC26 on PC and laptop. That's it for this video. Thanks.